Good evening, it's Jeremy. It's Sunday, October the 5th, and I'm going to take a reading with my sextant and bubble horizon. It's a perfect evening here, and there's a full moon, so we're going to see if we can catch a picture of the moon in the sight on the sextant.
So in order to take measurements at night, I have a mag light here, but I've attached an infrared filter on the top so it doesn't disturb your night vision.
So I'm just taking a quick look at the blog post here. Here's a picture of the moon looking east from my balcony location in Toronto on October the 5th. And there's a picture of the sextant with the bubble horizon. I've got a mag light here when I do my sights just so I don't ruin my night vision. I've got an infrared filter on the top. Here's a look through the telescope of the artificial horizon. So you've got two target circles. There's the bubble. So when everything is aligned, the bubble is in the inner target circle. This line is vertical, this line is horizontal, so it's perfectly in the vertical and horizontal plane. And then the celestial body, in this case the moon, is directly in the bubble, which is directly in the center of the target circle. It's easier said than done. It requires a lot of practice. So what I did then is I put all my results on a spreadsheet. So I've got, I used navigational algorithms to get a quick sight reduction. And then I picked the best one and did a sight reduction using the spherical triangle and Psychos. And I put everything in a spreadsheet. So let's just quickly look at the spreadsheet. There are my readings for September the 12th. There are my readings for October the 5th. And this is a best reading I had, which is a 5.4 from nav algos and 5.5 minus 5.5 minutes when I use Psychos. So that's the one I'm going to reduce just as an example. Over here, I'm using Psychos Lab to calculate the refraction, to calculate the moon PA, and to calculate HC. And then I've got the nautical almanac for October the 5th and one line for October the 6th. And then I've got I did the calculations for the GHA and the deck for the time. The time was, UTC was 23:44:07, so that lies between 2300 and 2400. So you have to interpolate, which is what I've done here, to find the deck and the GHA. And once you have the deck and the GHA for that time, then you can solve the spherical triangle for HC. And then once you have HC, you can take H naught minus HC, which is the intercept, which in this case is minus 5.5 minutes. So that's basically what I've done there.